No más. Manténganos fuera de la ola, nada más.
Careful, right?
Yep.
Hang on, so.
Alright. Yep. Got him. Alright. Hold on. Hold it tight.
Get the gray tag, please.
Other tag.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, guys. Hurry up.
Photo.
Got it, Dave. Got it, Dave.
Photo.
Go.
Okay.
Yep, go.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go on him. No mueva el bote.
Gone.
He's gone.
I don't see him. Is it swimming?
Got it, guys! We got it! Perfect!
Perfecto.
We spent all the day for that, huh?
Young, strong, perfect. I'm pretty sure he's gonna.
First rooster ever. Satellite tag. Getting her done. Sitting somewhere off of what? Esterios?
Professor, any words?
Feels fantastic.
These guys worked super hard. Sonny one out of Los Sueños. They put the time in all day, man. We must have run 50 miles today. Muchas gracias, amigos.
You're very welcome.
These are
Pura vida! That's Costa Rica, guys!
Thank you, guys.
these are the professional fishermen who can make these type of studies happen. Thank you.